All right, well, I think we're live. All right. Let me see here. Go to the court right now. Court calendar. Watch.
Thank you. Please be seated. This is the 11 p.m. calendar on September 27th, 2025. Orders are given on the first of the month regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders remain in effect today. What that means for you in the courtroom is this: not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders are going to be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you will be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded. So please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney. Second, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me. Unfortunately, I'm not your legal counsel. I can't answer legal questions for you, so please save those types of questions for your attorney. Finally, you're going to be hearing about lots of different dates, different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork. That's why it's important to keep your paperwork and save it. Don't lose it. If you end up missing a court date or you don't follow a written court order, you could just end up back here. Here's how tonight's going to work. I'm going to call two names. The first name I call is going to come in the courtroom and stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is going to sit in that chair next to the door. And then we're going to keep on cycling through until the calendar is finished.
All right. Welcome back to the last court of the night.
Timothy Martin to the podium. William Villatoro to the chair, please. Hi, could I please get appearances from defense counsel?
Man, what up with this about here?
Ken Bemis, Your Honor, for the defendant who was in custody.
All right.
Tim Martin.
Thank you.
Hey, what up,
could
Sean?
I please have your full name and date of birth?
Timothy Jason Martin, 1/12/1980.
Thank you. All right, sir. You're here today on two separate matters: a municipal court new case and an out-of-county warrant. As to your municipal court new case, Mr. Bemis, actually, as to both, are you representing Mr. Martin as to both cases?
If the defendant wishes, yes, he contacted me earlier today and wanted me to try to get this straightened out. So I'm appearing for both matters.
Thank you. And it appears from your notice of appearance that you are representing him at this point solely for his initial appearance. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So as to his municipal court new case, Mr. Bemis, are you here to argue probable cause, release conditions, or both?
Release conditions, I'd like to be able to...
What's up with this lawyer? This lawyer does not seem like seem coherent, if you will.
And so I can have some...
Somewhat.
If we could...
Hey, what up, hey?
If we could figure out if he's eligible for release, and then after I figure out
did he just get up a bend there?
Additional facts, then I'd go forward with the other issues later.
Understood. All right, Mr. Martin, when it comes to your municipal court new case, you've been arrested for driving with a suspended license, a Class 1 misdemeanor. At this time, I am finding probable cause. I'm not assigning you an attorney. Mr. Bemis is representing you currently. And your next court date is going to be October 1st. That's at the Buckeye Municipal Court.
Yes, Your Honor.
As to both of your cases, Mr. Martin, I need to let you know, Mr. Bemis, at this point, is only representing you for today's court appearance. Between now and your next court dates, both for your municipal court new case and your out-of-county warrant, between now and then, if you find yourself without an attorney, would you please ask the following judge to assign you counsel at that time for both of those courts?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Again,
James,
I have
didn't see my comment.
Causes to driving on a suspended license. Your next
DUI.
court date is October 1st
I
in the
didn't see it.
Buckeye City Court.
Let me see.
Mr.
James,
Barton,
let me
you're
see my
also here on
comment.
an out-of-county warrant. Again, I'm not assigning counsel. Mr. Bemis is representing you on that.
Oh,
Same
that lawyer must
same
be
request
Ashley's.
to you, that if Mr. Bemis is no longer representing you between now, it's the same court date,
There, I
October
saw it.
1st. This one's at the Casa Grande City Court. So between now and October 1st on both your cases, if you don't have counsel, please request one of the judge. For your out-of-county warrant,
What up,
you have a
Matthew?
$200 secured appearance bond. This is an
200?
out-of-county warrant, and so at this time, I'm going to be affirming that warrant. The Casa Grande Municipal Court judge has set that bond. I will not be touching that bond because it's from a different jurisdiction. So on that warrant, you have a $200 secured appearance bond.
Do I bond out from, can I bond out?
Let me finish
Yes,
up
sir.
first,
Yes,
and then
sir.
I'll
I'm
answer
sorry.
questions, and then I'm not sure whether you're going to be able to talk to Mr. Bemis after this, but hopefully he can answer some questions for you too.
Okay.
Mr. Bemis, you heard that your client has a $200 secured appearance bond out of the Casa Grande Municipal Court. I'll be affirming that. Would you like to make your record regarding his current arrest for driving on a suspended license for the Buckeye City Court?
Yes, I'd like to allow him to post a
I couldn't get
similar
on your other
bond
page.
for that charge. I don't believe he tried to evade the jurisdiction of the
Your other
court.
page is frozen? What the what? Is it? Hold on, let me I'll shut it down and open it back up.
On either one of these charges, and I don't think he's a flight risk, and it's not a major charge. And if we could set a bond, I could assure you that he has a place to live.
It's like
here,
frozen. All right, cool. Thank you, guys.
I believe it's Buckeye, Arizona, and has contacts with the community and would not be a flight risk. I don't know what other additional facts you need at the present time, but I hope we can get a bond set, and we could certainly be. He would certainly appear on the October 1 court date.
Thank you. Upon hearing from your defense counsel and reviewing the record before me, sir, here's my plan. Sir, I'm going to set a placeholder bond. It's going to be a minimal bond of $50 on your driving on a suspended license charge. What that accomplishes is this: because you're going to be held in custody, at least for a little bit, on the $200 bond from Casa Grande, I'm going to set a bond in this case too, so that you get credit for time served while you're in custody. They'll count the number of hours that you're going to be in here.
That's his lawyer,
as long
yeah.
as there's a bond set on both your cases.
What up, Maui?
So I'm going to be setting a $50 secured appearance bond on your driving on a suspended license out of the Buckeye Municipal Court. So for both of your matters, you have a $250 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out on both your matters, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, and you cannot drive a motor vehicle. Mr. Bemis, do you have anything further to place on the record?
I just would like a clarification of
banner on top of the screen is over the face. Can't
post
see
the
him.
bond. I understood. I was thinking maybe it would be at the 4th Avenue facility, or maybe this place. If we could, if we posted that money, would he then be released?
Mr. Bemis, you are correct. Any bond that's posted needs to be posted at the 4th Avenue jail. And after that bond is posted, your client should be released in about 4 to 5 hours upon posting. Do you have any other questions, sir?
That's his lawyer,
yes,
yeah.
Your Honor.
No, thank you.
So then if I contact his relatives, could they go down to the 4th Avenue facility and then post $250 total, and then he could be released?
Yes.
Thank you for all of your assistance, and Alicia was particularly helpful, and I really do appreciate her assistance in this matter.
She's here in the courtroom with me. I'm sure she appreciates those kind words. Mr. Martin, before we end your matter, do you have any final questions for me or for your counsel?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Bemis. You are excused at this time.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be in contact with your significant other, okay, sir?
Significant other? Wait,
Okay.
hold up.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
All right,
You're out of
Mr.
line-
Martin,
you're out of
please
line there,
step to the left
counsel.
for your paperwork. Thank you. William Villatoro to the podium. Brandon Reynolds to the chair, please.
You're definitely crossing some lines there, sir. You're definitely pushing your luck there. Don't make me hold you in contempt there.
Name and date of birth, please.
William Villatoro, 02/23/2000.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for aggravated assault, a Class 4 felony, 2 counts of criminal damage, Class 1 misdemeanor, 2
Hey,
counts
Daniel,
of
hey,
assault,
thank you.
Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are October 2nd and October 6th in the downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $35,000. If
35?
you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision with electronic ankle monitoring.
He's
Furthermore,
something.
if you bond out, you cannot go back to your home. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
I don't.
If there's any orders of protection that are placed against you, you have to follow those orders. And you're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a Class 6 felony. Sir, I read the note. It says that you're the head of the household and he has no other place to live. So, sir, if you're able to bond out, there's a list of shelters that are back in the facility. You're going to have to call one of those shelters to see if you're able to bond out, see which one has a bed available to you. If you're able to bond out, sir, you can't go back to where you were arrested, which means you cannot
Hey,
go
what
back
do you guys
to your
think
home
about that lawyer?
until another judge lets you go back home. All right, sir. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Brandon Reynolds to the podium.
Hey, what up,
Corey
Mickey the man?
Candelaria to the chair, please.
All right, up next on The Price is Wrong. Let's see what the dog drug
Name and
in.
date of birth, please.
Brandon William Reynolds, 9679.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on 2 bond surrenders. What that means is that your current bond company no longer wants to work with you. So what's going to happen is this. I'm going to
Hey, what up,
reinstate the
Cha-Cha?
same release conditions
Timu.
exactly as they were before you posted that bond.
Okay.
The sound
will
effects
let
I
you know
love.
now, just because this bond company doesn't want to work with you, doesn't mean that a different bond company,
Yeah,
you might be able to work something out with
I
them.
understand.
All right, sir. So as to both matters, I'm not assigning you new counsel. You will continue to have your current attorney.
Yes.
Your next court dates are going to be, October 3rd in the downtown Superior Court. As to your first bond surrender matter, I'm reaffirming from your August 21st date a $7,500 secured appearance bond. As to your second bond, I'm reaffirming the bond that was set on September 4th. It's a $15,000 cash bond. If you're able to bond out on both of your matters, sir, you are not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. And most importantly, if you bond out on both your matters, you must contact your probation officer within 3 days.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
All
thank
right,
you, Mickey the
Please
man.
step to
Highly
your
appreciate that.
paperwork. Corey Candelaria to the podium.
Hey, how is everybody
Patrick
doing
Castillo
tonight?
to the chair, please.
Hopefully you guys are ready for some fun-filled nights for night court, if you will.
Name and date of birth, please.
Corey James Candelaria, 11/01/1989.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for aggravated domestic violence, Class 5 felony, criminal damage, or Class 1 misdemeanor,
Drop one,
disobeying
flush
an order of
one.
a court, Class 1 misdemeanor.
Drop
I have
one,
found
flush
probable
one.
cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are October 2nd and October 6th at the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $15,000. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision with electronic ankle monitoring. Furthermore, if you bond out, you cannot go back to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. You must continue to obey the order of protection that's been placed against you. Most importantly, you may have no contact with the victim whatsoever through any types of means,
Beautiful
either
night.
third party or
Another great day to be alive. Yeah.
You're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a
Michi,
Class
thank you.
6 felony.
What up, Frank?
Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Step to the left. Step to the left. To the left. To the
Patrick
left.
Castillo to the podium. Ignacio Ruelas to the chair, please.
Hey, Jackson, thank you. Highly appreciate that. Shawana A. Straight Awa. Thank you for the heart. Highly appreciate that. Nana, Val B, if you will. Hey, what up, K&D? And anybody else I missed. Hey, Kat, thank you for the follow. It's highly appreciated. Remember, hitting that follow button is free 99. Won't cost you a dime. Hit that follow. What's up, Harley 8?
Mr. Morales, to
Welcome
the chair,
back.
please.
Cubo compa. What up, Joe Billings? In the hat. Oh, that fool could barely walk. Somebody get him a walk. Oh, easy there,
Hi,
buddy.
name and date of birth, please.
Patrick Castillo, 10767.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on an out-of-county warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's going to be
He's a
October
tax
1st.
burden.
That's at the St. John's Justice Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the judge up there. It's a $3,910 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're just not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Sir, if you want to please step to your left for your paperwork. They'll come and get you, or they'll transport you.
Hey, thank you for that.
date.
Who gave me that teddy bear? Ooh, hoo. Gracias.
Ignacio Ruelas to the podium.
Up next on The Price is Wrong. Who's going to come through
Anthony Roller to the chair, please.
Who's going to come walking up to that podium? I don't know, but should be good. Should be
Date of birth,
good.
please.
Ignacio Ruelas, 52084.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's going to be October 3rd in
Billy,
the
thank you for
downtown
the follow.
Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $1,500 secured appearance bond.
Is this Arizona?
If you're
Yes,
able
it
to
is.
bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not
MCSO.
to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Belmont, thank you for that.
Most important
K&D,
thing is
thank
you
you.
bond out, you got to contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
To the left, to the left.
Anthony Rollard to the podium. Jesus Rodriguez to the chair, please.
Chris and Nicole, 18. Gracias. Highly appreciate that follow. Billion Tall, 25. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that.
Name and date of birth, please.
Damn, is that Opie?
Anthony Rollard, June 3rd, 1996.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date's going to be October 3rd in the
Looks
downtown
like your
Superior
brother.
Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Interesting crowd tonight.
Most important thing, if you bond out, you've got to contact your PO within 3 days.
That judge is quick. Yeah,
If you want to please step to your left for your
he's definitely trying to get home to his wife tonight. Or husband, you know, nowadays you
Jesus
never know.
Rodriguez to the podium.
Ain't nothing wrong, ain't
Sir,
nothing
Lee
wrong with
Renegard
that.
to the chair, please.
Different strokes for different folks. Hey, thank you for the follow, KC. Highly appreciate you. Darren, thank you for the follow.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
December
Damn.
6th, 1999.
Name, please.
Jesus Rodriguez. I lost my my thing when I was here last time.
That fool's
I was
looking
trying
like
to get it
Encino
back,
Man.
but I didn't want to come back in here.
He's coming
to
out
get it from the office
looking
or
like he's
whatever.
from the Stone
All right,
Age.
sir, let me finish up, all right?
Is that Mac and
All
Joel
so
right
you're
there?
here on a justice court warrant
Joe and Mac?
and a failure to appear warrant. Let me talk to you about your felony warrant first. I'm not assigning you a new attorney.
Rough
You're going to
night.
go back to your original attorney. Your next
Stone
court dates
Age.
are going to be October 2nd and October 6th
Looking
in the
all
downtown
prehistoric.
Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. You also have a justice court warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date on that is October 1st. That's at the El Centro Justice Court.
Let's get in. Let's zoom in.
That's not the same court, right?
That's a different court, yeah. And that one also has a $500 secured appearance bond. So you
Hey,
have
good
total
morning,
$1,000
Vicky.
secured appearance. If you're
Mr.
able to bond
Electrify.
out
Does he have flippers?
on both of your matters, you're going to be placed on
Or
pretrial
fillers? Lip
services
fillers?
supervision.
What the what?
And you're
I
not
think he
to
must have
possess
got
any
busted
weapons,
upside the mouth.
drugs, or alcohol. Let me see. Last time you were here,
That he definitely put his finger in a light socket. Or he's
sir,
capable
you were
of
here
doing
not that
that.
long ago. That was back on August 22nd. That was your actually first time here. That was the first time you got arrested. and
Please
got brought here.
don't zoom
Um,
in. I have to. I got no choice.
Yeah, sir. So, like the announcement that I said at the very beginning about keeping your paperwork, that's why it's super
20
important.
Moonstone,
So you have all
gracias.
your court dates. I don't know when this last justice court warrant was issued. Let me see when that was issued. That was issued on September 8th. Same deal. You probably had that justice court. Did you have a justice court warrant at that same time? Back.
Yeah, I was like I said, I lost my paper. I didn't know what was going on.
What
All right,
paper?
sir. So yeah, so your first court date's going to be October 1st. That's at the El Centro Justice Court. And then your felony court dates are going to be after that. All right, sir?
Do I have a
But
picture
at this
of
point,
it?
you got a $1,000 security
What up,
appearance
Julia?
bond for both of your cases. All right, sir?
So am I good?
I'm sorry?
Am I gonna be alright?
I mean, sir, you're going to be in custody.
You're gonna be
until
in
they'll
jail,
transport you to
homeboy.
those court dates.
Like I don't know what you mean. Like
you're gonna stay in jail until those court dates.
But why do I have to stay in jail, sir? I didn't know what was going on.
Hey,
Yeah, sir,
that's
the
most
thing,
of my days,
that's
but
why. I mean, you missed
I
your
don't
court
end up in
dates, and
jail.
those-
I didn't know, sir.
So-
Give me a chance, sir.
I'll give you a chance.
Sir, hold on
One
one
more
sec here. Let me check
chance. Hey,
your.
Please, give
damn,
me a
gracias.
chance.
Who shot
Let
that?
me check your.
I
Hey,
didn't
20
know
Moonstone,
what-
gracias.
well,
Highly appreciate
I'm not
that.
smart like everybody else, man.
Sir, you also have 2 prior failures to. These are your current failures to appear. I think
Tara-
9/5.
Tara's
I'm
hitting
homeless.
hard.
I don't have a phone. I have nothing.
What?
sir.
Who doesn't have a phone nowadays? That's an
Every
outrage.
time I'm out there in the street, people fight with me or nothing. You gotta give me a chance.
Give you a chance to
Uh,
what? Fight again? Not show
I
up?
would go to court this if you give me a chance.
Ashley, thank you
please.
for the follow.
My mom, please.
I mean, sir, you just said if you're out on the street, people want to fight you. You won't be on the street. You won't be out on the street if you're here in custody.
No, but that's the thing. Not like that, sir. I'm
Not
talking
like that.
about people don't
Elizabeth?
like me sometimes, but please give me a chance.
KK?
I swear, I'll go. I'll
Thank
go
you
to
for the
the
follow.
court. I'll take my chances.
That
please.
fool's not gonna go to
One
court.
sec. I have to check your justice court case card. 1 second here.
Hey, what do
I
you
don't have
guys
my
think?
mom.
Do you
I
guys
have
feel
nobody.
like? Do you guys feel like he will
I'll
show up to
change.
court?
I promise you, I will change.
He's gonna change? You ain't
If
gonna
I don't,
change.
then it's my fault.
Sir, one
First thing he's
second,
gonna do is
please.
gonna get 2 quarters, get on a payphone, and call the connect.
Can't be in jail, man. I'm not
Actually, sir, so here's the problem with your justice court case.
He doesn't even know what day it
My
is.
colleague, Commissioner Huckabee, she gave you a chance and she released you on that one.
I didn't know.
And you failed to appear
I
on
lost
August
I
7th.
lost the papers. I didn't.
Oh, I
know.
lost that. That was said I lost the
You lost
papers.
your papers
I
both
didn't
times.
mean to lose my papers. I tried.
Sir, I
Come
don't know what
on
happened
now,
with
don't
Commissioner
start crying
Huckabee,
now.
but that was 2
Bye,
times
llorar.
that
Bye, llorar.
you were- the 2 separate times you failed to go
Hey,
to
what's
court.
up, Xavier?
Like for
I'm sorry, sir. At this point,
Hell
you're
to
gonna
the
remain
no.
in custody until you can make it to your court dates, okay? Please step to your left for your paperwork, all right, sir?
That was a cry.
What do I do, man?
Ms. Renegar, to the podium, please.
Up next on The Price is Wrong. Hey, come on, just get the help. Get your 3 meals a day. You'll have bed. You can take a shower and get yourself right. You know, too bad I don't have the world's smallest
Name and date of
violin
birth,
over here.
please.
Maui.
Eileen K. Vinegar Allen, December 14, 1957.
Is that Corolla the
Thank you.
Ville?
You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested
Damn,
for possession of dangerous
Corolla
drugs,
the
class
Ville.
4 felony, possession of narcotic drugs, a class
Damn.
4 felony,
She's finding
possession
out
of
rough
drug
times.
paraphernalia, class
What
6
the-
felony. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are going to be October
What the
13th
helly?
and October 15th in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'm going to be releasing you today. There's some conditions
She's
to your
getting
release,
out?
okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand
Hey,
all
what
these
up, Jerome?
conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
I do promise.
The
You promise to
Golden
appear on
Girls.
October 13 and October
Hey,
15
what in the
at
Golden
downtown
Girls?
Superior Court.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing
Somebody
you on your own
pick up their
recognizance.
grandma.
Please show up to court, okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Please step to your
Thank you.
left.
Hey, you guys are cracking me up with the comments over here.
This
Damn, hey,
concludes
look.
the 11 p.m. calendar.
Oh, come on, Judge. Man, 22 minutes? Is that Betty White? Damn, Michaela. You ain't right. Bless her soul. In the grave, if you will. Hey, thank you for being my friend, Mary G. Oh, man, that was a good one, man. That was on fire. Let me see. Damn, we were having fun. There might be somebody in the chat right now. They're like, you guys ain't right. You guys ain't right. How dare you guys laugh at other people's misery? Somebody has to do it. Que no. We need more night court. We need more night court. Hey, Mia Foster, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Mediocre Mama driving Miss Daisy took a wrong turn. What the what? Damn it. Man, hey. I like that judge, man. That judge is, man, he keeps everything flowing, and he don't play any games. When's the next court? Next court is going to be at 2 a.m., but I will be sleeping at that time. But if you do want to watch that court, I suggest for you to take a little stroll over there to At Collect Call From on YT, if you will. And I run these streams all day long. Next one's going to be at 2 a.m. After that, it's going to be 5 a.m., 8 a.m., and I probably won't be on until the 11 a.m. tomorrow, right? Should replay the 8 p.m. court. I missed it. You missed it. The 8 p.m. one wasn't the. Hey, you guys want me to replay a court from earlier on? I could do that if you guys want. I didn't see the morning ones. I didn't see the ones from the morning. If you guys want, What time is it there? Right here, it's 11:23. Yeah, please. Yes. All right, then. All right. We're on a roll. Okay. Let's go ahead and do it. All right. We'll go ahead and play the ones from earlier on, the ones I didn't catch. All right. Hold up. Let me get it on the screen over here. Let me see. Let me fix this here. Let me see. Hold on, let me find it right now, and I'll go ahead and put it up right now. Just give me a momento right here. Let me see. Accolade call from. Let me see here. YouTube. No, not YouTube. Is it YouTube Studio? Screw it. See content. Live. And let's go over to. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Was it September 27? Was it? It was this one right here. Hold up. The only thing is
Stop buying generic Viagra if you're over 60.
What
you
the
qualify
what?
for 9 tablets of 100 milligram
somebody
generic
say V?
Viagra.
All right. Hold up. The only thing is we're going to get ads. So let me speed it up here. We'll start off at the 2 a.m. court. Okay, here we go. See here. All right. This is the 2 a.m. from this morning.
Okay, this is the 2 a.m. initial appearance calendar. I'm going to call you in individually. You'll state your name and date of birth. I will tell you what you've been booked on and whether an attorney has been appointed to represent you. I'm also going to give you the date of your next court appearance. I will let you know whether you're eligible for a bond or not.
Give me 2 minutes to add YT.
If it's a secured bond, that means that you can go through a bonding company. Phone numbers for the various bonding companies are located in the jail area. You can call any one of them. They will accept collect calls.
Did somebody say collect calls?
If it's a cash bond, then you have to pay the entire amount of the bond.
Not a fan of this, Judge.
I'm also going to tell you if I've set any release conditions, like no contact with the alleged victim or no going back to the alleged scene of the crime.
They
you need to follow each and every condition if you want to remain released.
Oh,
let me remind you, if you've been ordered by a court not to have contact with the victim and then you do so, you may be charged with an additional felony. Now, let me remind you, when you come into the courtroom, go behind the podium.
I want to be arrested and locked up, right, Stephen K.
Video recorded, so do not talk about the facts of your case, as you have the right to remain silent. As you leave the courtroom, court staff's going to give you your paperwork. That's going to show you what you've been booked on, whether an attorney has been appointed to represent you, where, when, and what time your next court date is, whether you're eligible for a bond or not, and then it'll have a list of all your release conditions. The purpose of this hearing is to determine whether you're eligible for a bond or not. That decision is based on your past criminal history, any failures to appear, Arizona law, and your current charges.
Hey, did anybody see the 2 a.m. court
personal information, so
from
don't
this morning?
go into that. Finally, for the record, the orders for fingerprinting and the taking of DNA samples that were made on the first calendar of September 2025 shall apply to all matters on this calendar. Can I have Ramon Bishop?
Honestly, I'm not sure, mediocre.
Inside
I didn't watch it. I was
courtroom?
sleeping.
And Anthony Pisham
I didn't see
to
it.
the chair outside the courtroom.
Why do they have court
Okay,
AM?
sir, state your name and date of birth.
Because crime doesn't stop. You know,
Bishop, 810.
there's crime
1995.
going on all day.
All right, you've got a probation
all day.
violation
Damn,
warrant
that
for your
fool's tall.
probation that you're on for a Class 3 felony. Probation is alleging
Is
you
that?
violated term 3 and 15. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing will be an arraignment, possible disposition, October 3rd at 8:30.
Does Phoenix
Pursuant to Arizona
every 3
Criminal
hours?
Rule of Procedure
Every 3.
7.2C, you'll be held non-bailable.
Non-bailable?
Get your paperwork from the court staff.
Yeah, they do. They have court every 3 hours in Arizona.
Anthony,
Because like I say around here, crime don't stop.
come on in. And
Come on
Carlos
down.
Goodwin to the chair outside the courtroom.
Good win. Come on down, Goodwin, if you will.
Do we have Anthony?
Not 15. Damn, I missed that one, Matthew.
But the officer has the keys, he's outside, so after court.
Our partner has the key and
I don't know what you're saying.
our partner stepped outside and he has the key in order to open up that door, Your Honor.
Oh,
Okay,
I
can
think
you have him?
I think
huh?
they're trying to get this dude out,
Okay, Carlos Goodwin.
but he's locked up. They won't let him out. So I think they need the
And
keys
then
to get him out.
Marina Cope to the chair outside
If
the
that makes any
courtroom.
sense.
State your name and date of birth.
Carlos Antonio Goodwin, 614-78.
All right, you have two matters. The first one
They're
is
just
the
getting in right
Superior
now.
Court arrest warrant for one count of shoplifting, removal of goods. It's a class 4 felony. This allegedly occurred June 25th of this year. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing will be a status conference, October 2nd at 8:30. Set a $3,500 bond. Then on the second one, this is a probation violation. For your probation that you're on for a class 6 felony. Probation is alleging you violated your probation by getting the new charge, a term 1. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing will be an arraignment, possible disposition, October 3rd at 8:30. Set a $900 bond on this. If you post these two bonds, you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours, okay? Get your paperwork from the court staff,
All right, Your Honor.
right there.
Thank you.
Anthony? Sir, state your name and date of birth.
Anthony Pintum, January 3rd, 1999.
Okay, you've got a Superior Court new case alleging one kind of discharge in a firearm in the city limits, class 6
Damn.
felony. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing will be a status conference, October 2nd at 8:30. I've set a $5,000 bond. Absolutely no possessing of any weapons, no returning to the alleged scene of the crime, and no contact with the alleged victim.
Thank you.
Get your paperwork from the court staff. Marina Cope, come on in.
Yeah, so, like I said, just...
And then Nicholas Larrabee to the chair outside the courtroom.
Damn, that was fast for that dude.
State your name and date of birth.
Marina Cope, October 9th, 2003.
You've got a justice court new case alleging one kind of threats, one kind of criminal damage, one kind of disorderly conduct.
Normally, when they're in that
Class
room,
1
they have a lawyer.
misdemeanors.
But I'm not sure why
You'll
he was
have
there
a lawyer
alone.
appointed for you at your next hearing, which will be an arraignment, October 1st at 8:30. I set a $1,000 bond. Absolutely no returning to the alleged scene of the crime, and no contact with the alleged victim. No email, no texting, no social media, no having somebody else call, no contact. You realize if you violate that, you can be charged with a felony. All right, get your paperwork from the court staff. Nicholas, come on in. Matthew Velasquez to the chair outside the courtroom.
Nicholas, come on down to The Price is Wrong.
State your name and date of birth.
Nicholas Andrew Larrabee, June 24, 1990.
All right, you have two matters. One is a failure to appear on your probation violation. You're on probation for a class 4 felony. Probation is alleging you violated term 3, 4, 7, and 15.
Not 15. Hey, thank you.
You already have a court-appointed
187.
lawyer. Your
for
next
that
hearing
hard
will be
puff.
an arraignment, possible disposition, October 3rd at
That lag in the video is
8:30.
crazy, yeah.
I've set a $900 bond on that. Now you've got
like
a
that
Superior
sometimes.
Court new case alleging one kind of possession of narcotic drug, class 4 felony, one kind of possession of drug paraphernalia, class 6 felony. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you.
Am I
Your
lagging
next
too, or
hearing
is
will
it
be a
just
status conference, October
the guy in the
2nd
video?
At 8:30. I set a $900 bond. If you post these two bonds, you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Get your paperwork
video,
from the
okay.
court staff. Matthew Velasquez, come on in. Irving
Damn, I missed that.
Mendenhall to the chair outside the courtroom.
Being in front of a court or the stream? Video only. Thank you. All right, cool.
Sir,
Thank you. Highly
state your name
appreciate
and
it.
date of birth.
Good morning. My name is Matthew Alexander Velasquez.
Damn, where you at, Matthew?
Date of birth?
06/01/1991.
You've got a Superior Court arrest warrant for one
Damn.
count of possession of dangerous drugs, Class 4 felony. This allegedly occurred May 26th of 2025. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing will be a status conference, October 2nd at 8:30. Set a $500 bond. So you'll get credit. I know you've got a release date of October 21.
Oh, he's about to get out already.
I was on work release, yeah.
Yeah. Well, you'll get credit on this one as well as that.
So it'll run concurrent?
Pardon?
It'll run concurrent?
What do you haven't even been sentenced.
It's not running concurrent. You're getting credit on both.
My son is Juve. Have fought so hard to
Get
keep
your
him away
paperwork from
from
the court
this life.
staff.
It ain't easy.
Irving Mendable, come on in. Christian Garcia to the chair outside the court.
When is my court date?
Pardon?
My court date?
It's before that. I think it'll be on your, but it's before your release date.
Oh, okay.
You know what?
Well,
Sometimes,
I intend to be.
sometimes no matter how hard you
paying the
try,
bond beforehand. I was
like
just
these
curious
things have
as
to
far
play
as-
If you
out.
pay the bond, you won't get the credit.
Matthew, right? That's good.
But you won't be released till the 21st. Talk to your lawyer before you do that.
Okay.
So sometimes you got to figure it out. Like myself, I went through.
You would rather pay it on the 21st.
I went through this for years and finally had to snap out of it. And
So my question then is,
I got myself straight.
I mean, I'm assuming that they're intending to.
Thank you.
Talk
I
to
know.
your lawyer.
For 1.5.
Yeah, no, I understand that. What I'm asking is, because I'm already currently doing time for a DUI that I received back in 2020.
DUI?
The charge that I'm receiving is related to, because I had a warrant, and so they're adding this additional charge.
Well, this is a new case.
Yeah, this was because I had, so pretty much what happened is that they are trying to charge me with a possession.
Okay,
They are charging you.
With
They're not trying. They are.
Yeah, the question that I'm asking is because I'm getting charged with a new case from the day because I had a warrant the same day, and they're trying to give me a new charge from there. And my question is, so they're.
I can't give you legal advice.
I'm not.
Vasquez, you already have answered your question. Step to the left.
She did it.
If you have any other question, ask your lawyer.
Well, obviously, I'm asking a legitimate question. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here.
All right. This is just a legitimate opinion.
Okay, what is your question about this case? Not about anything else, because I don't know anything else about it.
So
what up, Maria?
It's here on the 2nd of October. I get it that you're stating that if I were to be released on the bond.
Oh, he's gonna get it. He's gonna get that flashlight treatment later on.
Towards whatever they.
Yeah, if you post that bond today, you won't get credit on this case, and you're going to be in jail till the 21st, according to what I show.
Unless I get bonded out, correct?
Well, it says you're serving a 93-day term.
Yes.
What up, Deborah?
On work release.
Coming in from
You're still serving time on it.
Yes.
You can do whatever you want. I'm just telling you, you might want to talk to your
Sunshine,
lawyer.
this is not live. No.
Before you post this bond.
Not this one. Normally we are live, but this one.
Do whatever you want. But all I'm saying is, you get credit.
Hey, what up,
Let's say
Deborah?
you were convicted of this and you've already served 30 days. Or 21 days. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Judge over it.
But as soon as you post a bond, you don't get any credit, even if you're still serving time on this one, on this 93-day
Much love
term.
from Arizona. Gracias, Desert Honcho.
Okay.
Hello from Tracy. What's up, Mary G?
Okay.
This is from today, 2 a.m. Blake.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Where you been? I've been on vacation and having other things going on in my life.
Irving? And then Christian Garcia to the chair outside the courtroom.
What the
Sir, state your name and date of birth.
That's right, Ronnie. Gracias. Highly appreciate that.
Okay, you got a municipal court warrant from Peoria for one kind of DUI, liquor, drug, or vapors. That's a misdemeanor, class 1. This allegedly occurred July 4th of 2024. You already have a court-appointed lawyer on this because this is either a failure to comply or pay or whatever. Your next hearing is going to be an arraignment September 30th at 9 a.m., and they've asked for a bond of cash of $250. Okay? Get your paperwork from the court staff.
And vamoose.
Christian Garcia, come on in. Suzanne Solis.
That other guy used.
Chair outside the courtroom.
This is not live. Yeah, this is from 2 a.m. in the morning. That other guy used up everybody else's time.
State your name and date of birth.
Christian Isaiah Garcia, 032102.
You got a Superior Court new case alleging one count of using vapor release for substance abuse. It's a Class 5 felony.
Damn, what kind of shirt is that?
To represent you. Your next hearing is going to be a status conference October 13th at 8:30.
That looks like something I wear on vacation, not on the streets.
To pretrial services with drug testing and monitoring. Don't miss your court date.
Sounds good.
Expensive
quick question.
one.
With the drug testing, would they find marijuana in an edible or?
I do not know.
Talk with them.
Haircut is wild.
But you'll get the rules and everything from
That's
pretrial
the new
services,
drip.
and you'll be able to talk to them.
That thing's
And after
ugly.
pretrial service, I just talk with them. They give me basically my.
And don't even get me started on that haircut.
There's no bond attached or anything.
That what?
There's no bond attached.
No,
I would just
there's
go
no
to them
bond.
and talk to them, and they just tell me
It'll
what to
just
do.
be conditions
Oh,
of
denim
release.
tears. Thank you, D.
Sounds good then.
All right.
How much do you think
Get
it
the
costs?
paperwork.
Thank you.
Suzanne, come on in.
Hey, what up, Tokes? Hey, where you been at,
And
man?
then do we have the lawyer on the phone?
Hi.
150?
Okay,
No.
that'll be next.
300?
And then Jonathan Davis to the chair
hell
outside
no.
the courtroom.
Man, I'll go buy a.
Ma'am, state your name and date of birth.
I'll buy some pro clubs.
Suzanne Solis,
I've been on vacation, man.
You have a
Look it
municipal
up.
court new case alleging one kind of criminal trespass in the third degree.
300?
One kind of possession of
Designer?
drug paraphernalia, both class 1 misdemeanors. You're not entitled to a
Looks like a
court-appointed lawyer.
tablecloth.
Your next hearing will be an arraignment, October 14th at 9 a.m.
Yeah, I can't
I'm
afford
gonna
that.
release you on your own
Hey, thank you,
promise
Desert.
Thank you.
to come to court, but you cannot
Nice to see you back,
return
bro.
to the
Gracias.
alleged scene.
I won't. I
You
won't. I promise.
can't go there. I will
Okay.
guarantee you, if you do, you're going to be staying here.
Okay.
Hey,
All
James,
right.
thank you for
Get
the
your
follow.
paperwork.
All right. Thank you.
Jonathan Davis, come on in.
Thank
She's
you.
in
Have a
rough
nice
shape.
day, guys.
Thank you.
She looks kind of like a rock muncher.
All right, sir, state your name and date of birth.
Jonathan Davis, 12381.
All right, and counsel?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Benjamin Richards on behalf of Mr. Davis. who's
Damn,
there
Benjamin
in
has a
person.
lawyer.
I'm appearing virtually. Thank you for that.
Okay, and I
He
know
sounds
that
legit.
you indicated that this was a limited appearance. Is that correct?
That's not correct, Your Honor. I apologize about that. Mr. Davis retained us before, obviously, this incident. Well, he became here today.
Lawyer at 2
He has
a.m.
retained us.
Hey, that's a real lawyer right there.
His attorney moving forward as well.
I would have preferred he would have showed up in person,
Is this
though.
on both cases?
That's correct, Your
Because
Honor.
there's an out-of-county warrant from, let me see, Pinell County. I don't know if you know that, but he was page 2'd on a Pinell County warrant.
Not the rock
Do you know
muncher.
which court specifically that's in front of, Your Honor?
The Pioneer Justice Court.
That was previously quashed. I have an order for that. And I do represent him on that as well.
Well, I have it from August 25th of 2025. So I don't think it's been quashed.
Just a moment, Your Honor.
Does he have his ears stretched out? I don't know. What do you guys think? Can you guys... What courtroom is this? This is Maricopa County in Arizona. Phoenix, Arizona, to be exact. MCSO, from what I hear. Never been there, though. I'm not from Arizona. I just streamed the court. If you will.
I have a case number if I can... If you
How
won't
much time did you
mind
do? I did
humoring
3
me, Your
years, told
Honor. Is it
myself,
TR 2025-000-096?
The case number I have is, it's really hard to read, J11109. It's a very long case number.
Damn. Yeah,
It looks like it's a misdemeanor.
It's cold in there, right,
DUI
Tokes?
From March 31st of 2024. It's a post-adjudication warrant.
Watkins
Yes,
Jail?
I represent
Arizona?
him on that case, Your Honor. I do have a court order. I addressed this before I facilitated the self-surrender for the Superior Court matter. I do have a release order from Pioneer Justice Court showing that the warrant is quashed.
Adam, thank you for the follow. Canada
this
jail
was
different. We can't
issued,
stream people's bails. I did 10
September
years.
25,
Jeez.
so earlier this week.
Hey, I only did. I went through the halls.
I'm happy to provide that
went
to
through
court
camp
staff as well, Your Honor.
Went through LA County. I did a
So
county
it was
lead-in.
signed
That was it
September
for me.
19. I received
I threw in the
actual
towel.
order on September 25.
And that was over 24 years ago. 10% bail like America and IRS 100K. Damn. Ontario. That's right. Ontario en la casa.
Yeah,
I can't hear the judge.
I'm
Will.
gonna
Can you
need
turn
to
it up a
see
bit?
that your order.
Happy to do that,
Yeah.
Your Honor. Can I send it to your court staff?
I did time in Alabama.
Yeah.
Hell no. I seen the documentaries in that place. No, thank you.
Can you fax it?
I can. I'm out of state, Your Honor. I apologize. I'm officiating a wedding this weekend, which is why I'm not there in person.
Can you guys hear the judge?
I can send it to Miss Adams via email.
Otra vez.
That'll work.
Is it helpful if we can recall this matter so the court can review that? What's your preference?
Your Honor, the state may jump in real
Oh
quick.
no, Ashley!
Since it may help, the state did go on the Arizona Public Records website, and I was able to find the case that counsel is speaking of. I was looking at the minutes from Mr. Davis's DUI hearing out of Pioneer Justice Court. It does have a note in here on September 19th, 2025 that the warrant was quashed, Your Honor. There is also a note in there from the same day that the bond has been voided, if that helps any.
Yeah, that does. But I still want to get that record, but I'll go ahead on both counsel's avowal, and I will just no action this case and just put in the record that this warrant was quashed, if that's okay. But counsel, please send that to our staff so we can attach it.
Will do, Your Honor. Thank you.
Send it to IA Court.
Not at Kayla Adams last Thursday.
Okay, in the braces.
It was quashed on September
What in the
19th?
braces am I hearing?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll put that in the record. All right, so we don't have to deal with that one. And I'm sorry, County Attorney, I didn't know you were on the line.
On the line.
So do you want to announce for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Ashley Stetson on behalf of the state.
Damn you, Ashley.
All right, sir, you've got one matter now. You have a Superior Court new case alleging one count of unlawful flight from law enforcement, that's a Class 5 felony, and one count of driving while license suspended, canceled, or revoked. That's a Class 1 misdemeanor. You've hired counsel, so I'm not going to be appointing an attorney to represent you. Counsel for the state, did you want to be heard?
Dory.
Yes, Your Honor. In regards to conditions of release and request for bond, Your Honor, the state is requesting a bond of $7,500.
Oh, the redheaded kid.
Your Honor, very quickly, the suspect was released from prison back in 2023, as they believe, like October of 2023. Since then, he has picked up or been arrested for several different charges, only charged with 2 of those, one from 2024 in El Mirage. It looks like it's a disorderly conduct for fighting, 2 charges for that. He does have the DUI out of Pioneer Justice Court that the counsel had mentioned earlier. The state would note in that case that he has had 2 failure to appears in the...
She sounds like she's in pain.
Since that case was charged. This is a 2025 case, Your Honor. The state also noted when it was running his background check that he may have a warrant out of Glendale for $500 for disorderly conduct. fighting. It looks like it's an older warrant because they just reviewed the warrant 3 days ago for.
Hey, thank you for that.
Because it's come up on the 5-year mark. So the state does believe he may have a $500 warrant out of Glendale. The facts of the case, the state does acknowledge that the suspect did turn himself in on this. However, Your Honor, he turned himself in nearly 2 months after the incident.
What's wrong with her?
He, as the state noted in its recommendation, he has a lengthy criminal history. When he was in prison for his aggravated assault, Your Honor, he picked up additional charges, either bringing contraband into a prison or making contraband into a prison, which then turned into an additional 5-year sentence on his original aggravated assault.
He picked up an in-house.
The state does have concerns about him being released. He does have a history of failing to appear. He does have a history of a lengthy criminal history of the state acknowledged. And he waited nearly 2 months to turn himself into this. So the state is asking for
hopefully
a low bond.
Hopefully he was able to hoop something. He has some frajos, hopefully a lighter, some Krizak.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hopefully he got that prison wallet packed up.
Mr. Davis retained my services to address this matter, to address the matter out of Pioneer Justice Court. To be clear,
that dude's
matter out of Pioneer Justice
I'm gonna
Court
get a bottom
is an
bunk.
adjudicated case. The court's order was regarding.
I wonder what's for breakfast today. What day is it today?
Some things that have to happen with misdemeanor DUIs after the fact, after jail has been served. With respect to Mr. Davis in this matter, as I noted, he retained me to address this matter. We proactively reached out to the law enforcement officer. We anticipated a self-surrender last week. I learned about the warrant in Pioneer Justice Court, got it quashed.
Hey, what up?
We've been in almost daily communication with the law enforcement officer who we self-surrendered to earlier today. Well, yesterday now.
You're welcome, Austin.
Mr. Davis is a lifelong resident of Arizona.
I might start doing these
job in
playbacks.
here.
What do you guys think?
Arizona,
Should I start doing these playbacks?
Employer who supports him. We would ask that he be released on his own recognizance if the court believes that some additional measure is required to secure his appearance. I think a bond is not the least onerous condition.
All right.
Electronic monitoring should be sufficient with supervision by pretrial services, Your Honor.
And how long has he had this job?
Who cares?
Yes, please, Mr.
I've had this job for over a year and a half, Your Honor.
Pardon?
I've worked for my job for over a year and a half for my boss. Yeah, I was a forklift operator for him. I work every single day, sometimes 6 days a week. But I'm just trying to clear up all these matters, and that's what I'm trying to do now today. I made a mistake, and I'm here.
Thank you, Mr. Davis.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hello. Wait, this is a replay? Yeah, this is from 2 a.m. this morning.
I'm going to tell you, I mean, you have a lot of failures to appear in the past, 12 to be
12?
Exact.
And she going to let him go.
In criminal history I have and 7 prior felonies. But
the situation from Jersey Shore.
I always give a break when people do the right thing and turn themselves in.
What?
It doesn't seem, I recognize that you did serve some time, but your latest felony seems to have been in 2018. And you've hired counsel, which also tells me that you're trying to take care of things.
Yes, ma'am.
And having that job. So, given all that, I'm going to give you a big break because of the choices you've been making.
I'm surprised.
And what your counsel's telling me. I'm going to release you to pretrial services on an electronic monitor with some curfew restrictions. Normally they let you go to work and you got to go home, or you get to meet with an attorney, you get to go to court and doctor's appointments and things like that.
Okay.
All right? No driving without a valid driver's license. Your next court appearance is going to be a status conference October 13th at 8:30. Anything from either counsel?
It is, Ronnie. It's definitely hard.
Nothing from defense. I'll email a copy of that order from Pioneer Justice Court, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, get your paperwork from the court staff.
He won't show, Melissa. What do you guys think he's gonna show up?
All right, you want to get our court interpreter?
Hey, thank you, Southern. Highly appreciate those
County
10 roses.
Attorney, were you going to be staying on the record?
Hell no, yes.
Yes, Your Honor. I do believe for
She's
this
back again?
one and the following one.
Well, we have two Spanish speakers.
Hey,
One
thank
is
you for that-
Lydia
for that friend.
Encinas. I'm assuming you want to be here on the Melger, and then David Dunlap.
Yes, Your Honor. Those are the two that I'm planning on appearing for.
Okay, can I have Lydia Encinas, and do we have our interpreter on the record, on the phone?
Yes, this
Hey,
is
thank you
Spanish
once again,
interpreter. The name is
Southern.
Marco, ID 57331.
Ah, damn,
and
we
I'll
got
be
the
your Spanish
Timu.
interpreter today.
We got the.
Okay, thank you so much. My
We
name
got
is
the
Cindy
team with
Nanetti. I'm a
translator.
judge pro tem with the court here in Maricopa County. And because we are in court,
Damn,
I
thank
would
you for
like
the
to swear
dinosaurs.
you in. Are you ready?
Thank you, 20 Moonstone.
Of course. This is interpreter. We can
Do
begin.
you? Yeah, I'm going to swear you in. Do you swear or affirm that the information you're about to interpret from English to
Snow Bunny,
Spanish
thank
and
you for the
Spanish
follow.
to English will be true and accurate to the best of your knowledge and ability?
See,
I swear.
see, Your Honor.
Okay, we're going to get started right
I don't even know how to say
now.
Your Honor in Spanish.
State your name and date of birth.
This is the first time I've seen it.
Establezca su nombre y su fecha de nacimiento.
Lidia Espinosa Encinas, mayo 10 del 82.
That's a woman? Oh, snap.
Lydia
I thought it was a
Espinosa
dude.
Encinas, May 10th, 1982.
Chaz, thank you for the follow.
Okay, you have a Pinal County Superior Court warrant.
Is that Santos?
De acuerdo, usted tiene
El hijo
una
de Santos.
orden de búsqueda de la Corte Superior del Condado Penal,
Alleging one count of aggravated assault. That's a felony.
estableciendo una cuenta de agresión agravada, que es un delito mayor.
I can't appoint an attorney for you in this county,
Why is she like
but
talking?
they can appoint you an attorney in Pinal County
Only because she
if
speaks
you're
louder.
eligible.
He's not gonna she's not gonna understand what what she's saying.
And I'm sorry, this interpreter, just to confirm, you cannot appoint an attorney for in this county, right?
I cannot
I
appoint
cannot.
you an attorney in Maricopa
She's probably doing
County.
hand movements too. No, I cannot.
Yo no puedo asignarle un abogado en el condado de Maricopa, pero sí le pueden asignar un abogado en el condado de Penal.
I cannot.
But if you're
Appoint
eligible, they can
you
appoint you an attorney in
lawyer.
Pinal County.
Pero si
Sign
usted es
language.
elegible, le pueden asignar un abogado en el condado de Penal.
Your next court hearing will be in arraignment October 1st at 8:30.
Su siguiente audiencia en la corte va a tener lugar el 1 de octubre a las 8:30.
And the judge in Pinal County set your bond at $25,000.
She's not. Hey, Shannon.
Y
Shannon.
el juez
Thank you for that
del
heart.
condado de Penal ha establecido su fianza en la cantidad de $25,000.
Damn.
You are not to return to the alleged scene of the crime or have any contact with the victim.
Usted no debe regresar
Jelly Bean, thank
a
you for the
la
follow.
supuesta escena del crimen ni tener contacto con la víctima.
Get your paperwork from the court staff.
Obtenga su documentación del
Carly, thank you
personal
for
de la
the follow.
corte.
Okay. So,
Okay.
thank you. All right, we have one more interpreter.
Carmela, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you. And if you
We
haven't
have
done so,
one more
please do so. Hit that
interpreter.
follow button. It's free.
Wilson Melgar.
It's free
Come in the
99.
courtroom.
My favorite price. Hit that follow button. Don't be a Scrooge
Wilson
McDuck.
Melgar,
Don, thank you for
venga
the follow.
a la sala de la corte.
Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Hit that
Okay,
follow.
we're going to get
It's
started
free for you. It's
right
free for
now. Sir, state your name and date of birth.
me. The real ish. Thank you for the follow.
Bien, empezaremos ahora mismo.
Hey,
Señor,
who came in with a
diga su
do-rag?
nombre y fecha de nacimiento.
Where does he think he's at?
Wilson Gerardo Melgar, 18 de abril de 1990.
Wilson Gerardo Melgar, April 18th of 1990.
Is this fool
And
handcuffed?
counsel for the state.
Por favor, I'm sorry, this interpreter.
Is he getting ready for a
one more
visit?
time? Counsel for the state, is that correct?
Counsel for the state, please announce.
He's bandaged up
Por
around
favor,
his head.
anuncie.
Oh, is that a bandage?
Del Estado.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Stetson
Ah,
on behalf
Ashley's
of the
back.
state.
They did a pillowcase on his head.
Buenos días, señora. Buenos días, su honor. Este es Ashley representando al Estado.
Prior to coming to court, I received, reviewed, and considered a victim statement.
Antes de venir a la corte, yo recibí, revisé y consideré la declaración de la víctima.
He's pretty good compared to other interpreters.
The state also requested that I seal the Form 4, which is a summary of the facts.
The Form
El Estado
4.
también requería de que yo pusiese un sello en el formulario que es un resumen de los hechos.
And I did grant that request.
Y yo sí acaté con esa solicitud.
Sir, you're here on a Superior Court new case.
Señor, usted se encuentra aquí en un nuevo caso de la Corte Superior
Alleging one count of child abuse.
Ooh, nah. He done messed up. Agua.
un cargo de abuso infantil.
One count of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument.
Double agua for this one. Drop one, flush one.
Y también alegando una cuenta de agresión agravada con arma letal o objeto peligroso.
One count of kidnapping.
Kidnapping too? Damn.
Una cuenta de secuestro.
Those are all Class 2 felonies.
Todos estos son delitos graves de clase 2.
2 counts of endangerment, Class 6 felonies.
Oh, this guy's going to have a rough time. Vayas con Dios, buddy.
2 cuentas de puestas en peligro que son
Hopefully
delitos
not the
graves
real
de
ish.
categoría 6.
1 count of criminal damage.
Una cuenta de daños criminales.
2 count of threatening.
Damn, this
Dos
guy's a real.
cuentas de
He's really
amenazas.
raking in those
3
charges.
counts of disorderly conduct.
3 cuentas de conducta al desacato.
¿De qué?
Those are all Class 1 misdemeanors.
Todas estas son delitos menores de categoría 1.
And 1 count of an assault, Class 3 misdemeanor.
Y también una cuenta de agresión,
He's not
que
even
es
ashamed,
un
right?
delito menor de categoría 3.
Counsel for the state, did you want to be heard on release conditions?
Oh, Ashley.
Consejera del Estado, ¿usted desea
Ashley better
ser
stake it to him.
escuchada en lo que respecta a las condiciones
$1
de
million
libertad?
bill, Ashley. Don't let us down.
Sí.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su honor.
Your Honor, the state is requesting bond be set in the amount of $100,000 secured.
Sí.
What up,
Su
Heather?
honor, el Estado está solicitando la fianza por la cantidad asegurada de $100,000.
Your Honor, the allegations of this case is that the suspect was holding a nearly 2-year-old minor in his hand while he was waving around a machete.
What? What did he think he was machete?
Su honor, las
Oh,
alegaciones
man,
del
just when you
caso
think.
son de que el sospechoso o sospechosa
Yep.
estaba
Send him to
sosteniendo a
CCOT.
un menor de 2 años de edad mientras estaba sujetando y moviendo con la mano un machete.
Machete.
Well,
Damn it.
while he was doing that, he was threatening to kill 2 other victims.
Jeez.
Mientras
what do you
estaba
think he was,
haciendo
Rambo?
eso, también estaba amenazando matar otras 2 víctimas.
He was using the machete to strike furniture.
Furniture?
Estaba utilizando el machete para golpear muebles.
He was on a sick one, palabras.
This all occurred within the interior of their residence.
Todo eso ocurriendo en el interior de la residencia.
Well, please.
The state believes that the suspect is a danger to his family.
El Estado cree de que el individuo sospechoso es un peligro
Doesn't
para
this
la
guy know
familia.
how expensive furniture is
And
nowadays?
in reading the victim impact statement,
This would definitely cross the line by
Y
him
al leer
attacking that
la
furniture.
declaración de impacto de la víctima,
I'll be pissed.
it does appear that he may have issues with alcohol.
pareciese ser de que él tuviese
How
problemas
does
con
one
el
obtain a
abuso del alcohol.
machete? Man,
The
I was gonna
state
buy one in
is
El
also
Salvador last time.
asking that the conditions of release, the state noted in its written recommendation
What in
be
the name of
ordered.
justice? Filma.
El Estado también solicita de que las condiciones de liberación
And look at how the cops are standing behind him. They're ready to jump on this fool. Hey, Edwin, thank you.
Thank you.
This is Arizona, Tiffany.
Gracias.
Hey, what's up, HD? Thank you for that daily heart. And thank you for the follow too, Edwin Guerrero 925.
Okay, sir, your next court hearing will be a status conference October 2nd at 8:30.
Okay.
Man, only a crazy person will wear that on their head in
La
court.
audiencia en la corte va a ser una conferencia de Estado el 2 de octubre a las 8:30.
He hasn't even moved.
I'd set
I
a
don't even think he's blinked.
$750,000 cash-only bond.
Alexandria, thank you for that, Rose.
Would you please repeat the amount one more time?
I've set
Thank you
a
for that daily heart.
$750,000 cash bond.
Colleen.
Con una fianza únicamente a pagarse con efectivo de
Ginger, thank you for that daily
$750,000.
heart.
If you post that bond, you cannot have any contact with the alleged victims.
His bond is
Si
750.
usted paga esa fianza, usted no ha de tener contacto alguno con la supuesta víctima.
Get your paperwork from the court staff.
Usted obtenga su documentación del personal de la corte.
Okay, interpreter, thank you so much.
Of course.
Yeah, no, he
Thank you so much
didn't
for
he
your
didn't take
time
nobody's
and your
life,
services.
fortunately.
This is Marco at 57331. Take care.
Hey, what up, hot miss?
You too.
Please rate the quality of service for
Let me
this
get him-
call
let me
by
give him
pressing
a
5 for
farewell,
very good,
flush
4
here.
for good.
Got a drop one, flush one for him. Nah, this one is not live right now. This is from this morning, 2 a.m. we're doing the 11 o'clock one, but they ended up cutting it short, so we ended up jumping on to the one from this morning. The one from 11 o'clock was good. That one was good. I was on a good one. Oh, man down, man down. Oh no, false alarm. Sorry about that. Do they really do hearings at 2 a.m.? Absolutely, they do. They do 8 a.m., 5 a.m., 8 a.m. Oh, I mean 2 a.m., 5 a.m., 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., 8 p.m., and 11 p.m.
Are we clear?
Oh, hey, this is gonna be bad, guys. This is gonna be a bad one.
Hi, Officer Brown, Cindy Nanetti.
Trigger warning. Trigger warning. This is gonna be bad. This is probably gonna be worse than the one we just listened to right now. If you've ever had any trauma growing up or and as an adult, you probably don't wanna hear this. I don't want it to open up old wounds. Hey, May Rain, thank you for May Rain. I like that. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Yeah, so court pretty much, in other words, is every 3 hours. If you do like watching these courts, whenever I'm not on, I would suggest for you to take a little stroll over to YT at Collect Call From. I run these streams all day, every day, nonstop, if you will. So if you like watching these without me, then go ahead and check them out. You can catch them while they're going on live. The next one, like I said, will be at 2 a.m., which will be in about an hour and 50 minutes. The next court that's coming up right now should probably be an awful case. Somebody that probably deserves to be thrown in a wood chipper, not head first. We'll throw them feet first, preferably, to make him at least, torture them for a bit. Hey, how are you? I'm doing pretty good, May. Thank you. Highly appreciate for the follow. And be like May right there. May Rain. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patties. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Hit that follow. It's free for you and it's free for me. Let me see. Let it last.
Come on in.
All right.
And counsel for the state, you're here?
Let me just go ahead and do a flush right now because I know it's going to be something bad. Awa. Tap, Charlie. Thank you. And tapping is free for sure.
All right. Sir, state your name and date of birth.
David Dunlap, 092597.
All right. And counsel for the state?
Oh, I already know something real bad with them.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Stetson on behalf of the state.
Awa.
Okay. Sir, you're here on a Superior Court new case alleging one kind of molestation of a child that's a Class 2 felony. They booked you on one kind of public sexual indecency. I did not find probable cause on that. And then one kind of disorderly conduct, Class 1 misdemeanor. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Counsel for the state, did you want to be heard?
Ashley, let him have it.
Yes, Your Honor, really quickly, the state is asking for a bond to be set in the amount of $150,000 cash, Your Honor, based on the allegations. The allegations are this occurred at the Great Wolf Lodge, which happens to be within the interior boundaries of the Salt River Indian Reservation, Your Honor. From what the state knows, the suspect and the victim do not know each other at all. They were swimming in an area, and the victim is a 6-year-old minor.
6-year-old?
Female, and
did she say
based
6?
on the video evidence, Your Honor, law enforcement could see the suspect grab the vagina of the 6-year-old victim.
Oh,
the 6-year-old victim attempted to swim away, and then the suspect then pulled the victim back by her hips.
That's
into
pretty bold.
The suspect's groin. The law enforcement did speak to the victim. She did tell law enforcement that the suspect did touch her private areas, Your Honor. And in this case, the private area the victim was speaking about was her vagina. So based on that, the state has a lot of concerns for this based just going off the allegations themselves, but the fact that the suspect is a stranger to the victim, that they were in an area which the state would presume has a lot of minor children in the area. So the state does have concerns about the suspect being released. So the state is asking for $150,000 cash. conditions that were requested in the state's written recommendation, specifically no contact with minors, no internet without it being for school or work, and electronic monitoring, which the state believes is statutorily mandated because this is a sex crime. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, do you have any children of your own?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, I'm not surprised.
All right. Your next court hearing is going to be a status conference on October the 2nd at 8:30. I am going to set a $200,000 secured bond. It's not cash. Pursuant to Arizona law, you must be placed on an electronic monitor. You are to have no contact with any minors. You are not to have any contact with the alleged victim in this case. And you cannot return to the alleged scene of the crime.
Dudes like that should be in alligator Alcatraz.
Anything else
right
from
there.
the state?
That's who should be housed there.
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
And the state did request that the Form 4, which is a summary of the investigation, be sealed, which means it's not public at this point.
Oh, it's public
and
now.
I agreed to do that. Okay. Any questions from you?
No, ma'am.
All right. Get your paperwork from the court staff, and counsel, you can be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You know what? Animals like that is the reason, because I got a 6-year-old. I can't leave her alone. Like even like if we're outside my house and we live in a good neighborhood, I can't leave her outside. I can't go into my house for 20 seconds because of people like that. I bring my daughter. Like if she's outside, let's say I'm in the garage and she's outside, and I don't hear her, I call her name because I need to make sure she's okay. If I run inside to the house to grab a tool, she has to come with me. Just because, you never know who's watching it and waiting for the opportunity to take advantage of your, of your children. It's crazy. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. That's why my daughter's not going to be sleeping at anybody's house. Nobody's going to be coming over to our house just to avoid any issues. You can't trust anybody, straight up. Not even family. Teachers, I tell her, like teachers, police officers, they're bad people too. It sucks, man. It sucks. And then my daughter will tell me, Papa, I'll give him 2 tomas. When she said tomas, she refers to punches. She's like, Papa, I'll give him the bad man 2 tomas and run.
Officer Loomis.
She cracks me up. She cracks me up. She's like, I'll give him 2 tomas and run. I'm like, man, I wish it was just that easy. I see the pain in your eyes, James. No, it sucks, man. It sucks. It's horrible. It's horrible. And like I said, I mean, we live in a pretty good neighborhood, but you just never know. You don't know who your neighbors are or who's driving around. And just to avoid being in a situation like that, because I couldn't even imagine losing a child like that. Somebody, snatching your child off of the street. That's my fear for my son, who is profoundly, yeah. I am a caregiver, yeah. My big dog never leaves my baby's side. He goes everywhere. Man, that's what's up. All right, guys. Well, that was the last court of the night right there. I do appreciate you guys, tuning in right there. My caution with my daughter goes up more the older she gets. Yeah, as a grown woman, it's scary. Yeah, even with my wife, even when my wife goes out with my daughter, I'm scared too, because my wife's told me times where she's been at the store and there'll be people, like individuals, looking at them kind of crazy and stuff. I'm like, man, like you don't know what's going through people's minds. So, damn, that was a crazy ending. It was, Can we see the last guy one more time? You want to see him one more time? Hold up. Hold on.
El Estado también solicita de que las condiciones de liberación sean con las consideraciones puestas en la orden.
to the victim.
All right, there we go. And if you guys want to watch the replays of these, I keep these up on my page at Collect Call From. Like I said, I run these daily. So if you want to go back and play these back, you're more than welcome to take a little stroll down there. Once again, it's at Collect Call From, or you could just go ahead and go to my profile. And all my social media links are over there. Rodeo Jewel, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Where is this at, bro? This is Phoenix, Arizona, Maricopa County, if you will. MCSO, from what people in the chat say. Where are you at? Oh, I'm from LA. Born and raised, if you will. Good night, James. Thank you for everything. I'm off to sleep. I am exhausted. Hey, for sure, Matthew. Thank you. Hey, I appreciate you tuning in every single time that I jump on. Highly appreciate you, Matthew. Cha.
Come on in.
What time is
And
Arizona?
for the state you're here?
It's 12:19.
I am, Your Honor.
Okay.
Next court's gonna be at 2 a.m. I'm near Santa Fe, Nuevo Mexico. That's right. I've never been to Nuevo Mexico.
All right. Sir, state your name and date of birth.
David Dunlap, 092597.
We're just
All
going
right,
to
and
get him
counsel
out
for
because
the
we know
state?
what he's there here for.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Stetson on behalf
Gracias,
of the state.
Tokes. Have a good one. Have a good night. Third shift court.
Okay. Sir, you're here on a here court new case alleging one kind of molestation of a child that's a class 2 felony. They booked you on one kind of public sexual indecency. I did not find probable cause on that.
I am about to.
And then one kind of disorderly conduct, class 1 misdemeanor. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Counsel for the state, did you want to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor. Really quickly, the state is asking for a bond to be set in the amount of $150,000 cash, Your Honor, based on the allegations. The allegations are this occurred at the Great Wolf Lodge, which happens to be within the interior boundaries of the Salt River Indian Reservation, Your Honor. From what the state knows, the suspect and the victim do not know each other at all. They were swimming in an area, and the victim is a 6-year-old minor, female, and based on the video evidence, Your Honor, law enforcement could see the suspect grab the vagina of the 6-year-old victim.
And that's
the
pretty brazen right there.
Attempted to swim away.
There's cameras all over the place.
Then pulled the victim back by her hips into the suspect's groin. The law enforcement did speak to the victim. She did tell law enforcement that the suspect did touch her private area, Your Honor. And in this case, the private area the victim was speaking about was her vagina. So based on that, the state has a lot of concerns for this just going off the allegations themselves, but the fact that the suspect is a stranger to the victim, that they were in an area which the state would presume has a lot of minor children in the area. So state does have concerns about the suspect being released. So the state is asking for $150,000 cash. Conditions that were requested in the state's written recommendation, specifically no contact with minors, no internet without
hopefully they do
without it being for school.
Hopefully
or
that's
work,
what I'm hoping.
And electronic monitoring, which the state believes is statutorily mandated because this is a sex crime. Thank
you,
Your
Youngs?
Honor.
Okay, sir, do you have any children of your own?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Your next court hearing is going to be a status conference on October the 2nd at 8:30. I am going to set a $200,000 secured bond. It's not cash. Pursuant to Arizona law, you must be placed on an electronic monitor. You are to have no contact with any minors. You are not to have any contact with the alleged victim in this case. And you cannot return to the alleged scene of the crime. Anything else from the state?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
And the state did request that the Form 4, which is a summary of the investigation, be sealed,
What
which
link
means
is this?
it's not public at this point.
At Collect
And
Call
I
From on
agreed
YT.
to do that. Okay?
What up, Jade?
Any questions from you?
No, ma'am.
All right, get your paperwork from the court staff, and counsel, you can be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He has to pay. He has to pay. All right, guys, this is it. This is it for the night. Like I said, if you guys want to catch the 2 a.m. one, jump on at Collect Call From on YT. It'll be streaming over there. I just set up that stream right now. Hey, I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it slices out. And with that, I'm out. A rato y buenas noches. You guys have a good one, all right?